The city never issued KB Home any retaining wall permit. KB Home water velocity and mass of water has increased. KB Home did not properly grade the subdivision lots. The city never issued KB Home any retaining wall permit. The city never verified KB Home retaining wall height. http://blogtalkradio.com/kbhomesucks. Call into a KB Home Sucks live radio show, 347-637-3050. KB Home, the lot is completely flooded during a rain. KB Home, the lot has subsided due to bad grading and land erosion. Visit us on the web at http://www.akbhomesucks.com.
A KB Home Sucks.